What is up, you guys? Today's video, let's talk about Microsoft and the best buying opportunities when it comes to Microsoft. So this is my portfolio. I've been growing it year after year. This is my total increase. You can see the 1 year chart. I did $181,000. This from last year, right? So we're still in January. So my goal for this year is going to be 75%. I'm going to track record this whole thing on this YouTube channel. So if you want to learn and follow along with the whole thing so you can start making money too, you can always hit that subscribe button, like this video. Even commenting would help out a ton. I'd really appreciate it. And I want to give you guys all my plays and everything that I personally do. So when it comes to increasing your portfolio, that way you can make money as well. All of it's free. All of it's on this YouTube channel. And this is when, we make money here. So what I do is long-term investing. You can't lose with that, right? They only lose if like the whole US goes bankrupt, really. Like you're buying the top companies that are generating the wealth for the US economy, if that makes sense. Like, not for the US economy, but for the biggest, they're giving a lot of jobs. They're running. The government wouldn't allow these companies to just go bankrupt randomly, is what I'm trying to say. They're like Nvidia is a really big one, of course. Meta, Tesla. Tesla's going to be really huge. Microsoft, all these companies. These companies, they're like the kind of like the engine. Like what makes the U.S. amazing is technology, resources, things like that. So if you don't have that, your other countries are more profitable. That's why they would always have, always pretty much protect these big companies. That's why, they always protect the airlines when they go bankrupt and things like that. But that's off topic. I'm getting off topic. Okay. So let me show you this, and then let's go to the chart for Microsoft. Sorry, I got off topic there with all that stuff, but yeah. So this is Oracle. Oracle, this is on my watch list because this is a great buying opportunity right here. The future is going to be all about cloud. Oracle is a huge player in this, so is CoreWeave as well. CoreWeave specializes in AI, and at $58 and below is when I'm going to be adding a lot of positions on CoreWeave. So check those two out. But let's talk about Microsoft because that's what we're here for. And Microsoft is, ever since they did that partnership with pretty much, they bought a ton of OpenAI. It's just been insane, incredible. So yeah, why I think this is my buy area, just because I'm not trying to lose money. We're not trying to lose money. If you own Microsoft, great, hold it, right? If you're trying to buy a dipping opportunity, you have to be patient. And people give me like crap for putting like low numbers like this. It's fine. I don't care. Like, I've done it multiple times. I've bought dips multiple times, waiting patiently. So that's the thing. Making money is boring. This is Tesla right here. I've bought in these opportunities, these dip opportunities, right? I've bought in here. I've bought in at the 101. I've added positions this one. I had here, and I said if it goes below that, I'll buy more here. I had this box here if it ever went down. I don't think so. We're pretty much uptrending on Tesla. We're usually around like, I would say March, April is, when we're going to get most likely like a pullback opportunities in the market. I personally see that's what it's looking like from the charts and the candle wicks. But yeah, Microsoft, my buying opportunity for Microsoft is 390 to 350, all in that range. Just start adding positions. People might think, oh, that's way too much, it's way too aggressive. But let's go from the all-time highs all the way to those ranges. That's a 28%. You can see here. I'm going to zoom in for you guys here, so you can see that. If you can see on that corner, that's a 28% to up to 36% decrease in the stock. That's not that crazy because we've seen that happen in the past. You can go here in 2021. It's been downtrending here. You can go here and, you know, 36% right there. If we go from here, the previous all-time highs all the way to the low, that's 25%. So what I'm asking here, right, is how much? Let's see. Again, 28%. It's not that crazy to have it touch that area and then bounce back. I mean, like, if it doesn't hit in that area, it's fine. It's cool. But we are in this channel to make money and buying dipping opportunities and to be patient. Making money could be boring. We're not doing options because that's gambling. We're not doing day trading because that's gambling. And if you want to grow a long-term portfolio and have long-term wealth, it's when you buy opportunities, when you're ready, when you have cash on hand, when you wait for opportunities, and then when it goes back up, you know, you can start taking, you can do two things. You can sell at new all-time highs little by little, or you can hold on and buy at every dipping opportunity you can see, and that way you are always increasing your portfolio and making more money. So I give you guys all my plays of what I personally do, and you know, for example, let me show you guys here. One that I did not that long ago was Meta. I had a limit order on Meta at 600. I can even show you guys here. Well, I can't really show you when I bought, but I can show you my average, 608. I added more positions. I bought 30,000 here on Meta. So yeah, I bought here. I was hoping it goes down to this level, 107. You know, we're still, look, what we're doing right now is we're going down, lower lows, and then I think we're going to be dropping down just a little bit. That's my prediction. And then at the end of the year, we'll pick back up, make new all-time highs, and that will be that. That's my prediction when it comes to Microsoft as well. Is I do think we see a dipping opportunity. I don't know if, you know, we'll see that. It all depends on your situation, right? But I like to be patient, like to make money, and this is my stock prediction. If you have any stocks you want me to talk about, leave a comment down below, like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.